back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get a joystick in your Pokemon Go for free. It's jailbreak and everything, so you won't go to jail for it. So let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so first you'll need to go to your Internet Explorer or whatever and type in Tutu app, and you want to click on the one I clicked on. It's darkly highlighted. Okay, and then you want to click the green button that says download now. But after you click that, then you should, okay, so just hit the X at the top there, and then download now, click that, and then you would hit install, but I clicked cancel because I already downloaded it. And now we are going to go back to my home screen, and it's right there after I finish downloading it. But it won't let you guys in until you trust it. So we'll have to go to settings. And then once we're in settings, we want to go to general. General. And then we want to go to, I forgot what that one's called. And then you want to trust it. Right now I already trusted it, so it doesn't pop up. So we get in, it popped me out 1 second. Okay, so we're back in. Just gonna click the X, out of the ads. Okay, so there's the Pokemon Go one. You can download that, and I'll be right back after it's done downloading. Okay guys, it's done downloading. Let's let it install. Now let's get back. As you can see, right there it is downloading. It's not the normal one. Trust me, I'll show you in a second. But it's right there. Okay, then you want to click into it once it's done. And once you're into it, you want to fill out your login stuff. I'll be right back after I get my login stuff in, because it's kind of private, and I'm going to you guys happy. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're going to, I'm going to show you guys that this really does work. And yeah, so let's wait till it finishes loading. Do you know the way? Comment down below if you guys made it this far. Comment down below, do you know the way? Do you know the way? And I'll be responding to you guys and liking your comment and maybe even subscribing. Let me get out and re-get into it because it's not wanting to load. Come on, load. We're almost here. Now it won't spawn you in like around your region. I mean, it doesn't always, but because one time it spawned me in LA, but it's fine, you know. Alright, so we are in the game now. We're in the game now. Alright, there. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little, 1 second, Pokemon Go. I want to show them. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little joystick that you can move around with. Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna catch a few, maybe 1 or 2 Pokemon to show you guys that it works, and then I'll go to my normal Pokemon and show you that it actually went to mine, so you guys know. But you guys can check down in the description to find this app if you don't want to talk about it. This time because I'm doing voiceover. Okay, let's see. This one, blah blah blah. Actually, you guys actually just really cool thing. But you just BLA. Alright, so there we go. We're gonna go to my normal Pokemon Go. And then let's wait for it to load. I'll come back when it's done loading. So yeah, I'll be right back when it's done loading. Okay, I'm back. It doesn't really want to load, so I think I'm gonna get out and get back into it. So give me a second. By the way, I'm doing voiceover, so, and I guess I was talking during this time, so, alright, there. Now we're back in. Okay, so let's wait till it loads. Wait, why did I do that? Okay, I'm gonna have to get out and get back into it because I did that. Alright, so now we have to, right here. Okay, so now it's gonna load. Okay, so we want to hit OK. I'm just gonna hit see details and get out. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. This is where I normally spawn. There's no one nearby. Let's use, and let's look at our recent. And there's blah 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 right there, and it's our Ponyta that we just caught. And yeah, now in a few seconds I'm gonna show you what I did with what you can do with this app. This is how many Pikachus I've caught with this app. I called this one the Santa Pikachu because it has a little, cute Santa hat on it. And I'll show you guys that in a second. There we go. And then I named this one the Birthday Pikachu because it has a birthday hat. Okay, so yeah. And now I'm gonna show you the other cool things you can do with this app. Okay, so with the Tutu app, you can also do some really cool stuff. You can get Minecraft, getaway ad. You can get Snapchat Plus. I have no clue what that is, but you could get it. You could get wallpapers. You could get tons of cool games. There's getting over it. Yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.